At Cully and Sully, we know that what makes our soup so special is the way we make it. This can be anything from these delicious fresh carrots that you can see here. It's about having a really good recipe. It's about getting the seasoning spot on. In fact, the most important thing is about attention to detail. And at Cully and Sully, soup is what we do. I'm going to be making two soups today, one with our beautiful carrots we just picked from the field, and the other with the shop-bought pre-prepped carrots. Ideally, you want all your carrots to be about the same size, so they'll cook at the same speed. While making the perfect soup, size does matter, so more of these and less of these. You can see the core here, which basically has no flavour, a bit like a pineapple. So these were both made exactly the same. These are the shop-bought ones that we got in the bag. So you can see they're ready now, they're squashing. And these are the ones we cooked ourselves, which actually have cooked a little quicker. So we've just cooked two soups in exactly the same way with two different carrots. It's when we blend them that you'll see the big difference. Put some of this in here. You see how much more smooth that is now. So here we are, we have our two soups. You can see the difference immediately. This one's this lovely brighter colour, much fresher looking. The texture is actually better. I'm going to just taste this one first. And it's got less fibre in it. And when I taste it, which I do now, it's like a smoothie. This one, so a bit more blobby, which is actually driven by it's more woody. Older carrots get woody. And taste it. It's bitter. And this is exactly why we don't make our Cully and Sully soup on a Monday. The vegetables have all been cut the Friday before.